Hello traders, I am showing you my profit so you can understand how much I have made using this strategy. You can also use same strategy and make money. Let's go to the strategy. Today I am going to share with you easy but powerful Forex strategy. First we open GBP CHF in 15-minute time frame. This strategy we need DF indicator. With change some settings. If market cross upside with green candle middle yellow line, then we take a buy trade. Here is buy signal confirmation. We place buy trade here. Set stop loss low point of candle. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If market cross downside with red candle middle yellow line, then we take a sell trade. Here is sell signal confirmation. We place sell trade here. Set stop loss candle high point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If you like my strategy, please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.